The best money making apps. What are the best money making apps in 2021? How do they work and how do you earn money on them? We will break it all down here. You can earn extra money directly from your smartphone, whether it's a side hustle, part time job, or something to do in your spare time. There are dozens of money making apps out there are made for supplemental income. Even the best money making apps probably won't get you rich, but you can still put some cash in your pocket by performing pretty simple tasks from the palm of your hand. You are already using your phone to access your bank accounts and pay your bills, so why not leverage your device to earn some extra money on the side? You are already using your phone to access your bank accounts and pay your bills, so why not leverage your device to earn some extra money on the site? Overview of 20 best money making apps. Rakuten rewards you with cash back for shopping. For make money by selling your photos and videos. Google Opinion rewards. Swagbucks starts pointing shopping online, browsing the web, answering surveys, and watching entertaining videos. Acorns puts your money to work by investing it. Get paid by the walking app for walking. Get paid for watching ads. Sell used stuff to people in your area. Secret shopper app that rewards you with points for completing mission at various stores. Make money by providing a wide range of services to people in your area. Get paid by providing people rides. Another ride sharing app. Another cashback rewards app. Put unique twist on cashback rewards. A marketplace app for selling goods. If you like the idea of getting paid to give your opinion, this app is another top choice to consider. Find you refunds from purchases that you have already get paid by providing people rides life. Another ride sharing app. My Points, another cashback rewards app similar to Rakuten and Swagbucks. Libota puts a unique twist on cashback rewards. Mercari, a marketplace app for selling goods. Survey Junkie, if you like the idea. The 20 best money making apps. Rakuten, formerly Ebates Rakuten, rewards you with cash back from shopping. More than 2,500 stores are partnered with the platform. Those stores pay Rakuten a commission for referrals, and Rakuten shares the commission with its users in the perform. Join Rakuten today and get $10 bonus after making qualifying purchases within 90 days of becoming a member. I have a few of friends that use Rakuten. They each receive checks for over $50 last month. You can opt in for PayPal payments if you prefer to get paid electronically. Bonus, want to know how to make as much as money you want to live life on your terms? Download free ultimate guide to making money. The next app for making money is the name as Fob mobile app is excellent way to make money by selling photos and videos. Simply create a profile and start uploading your content to the app. When a person, brand, and agency buys a photo, you will split the profits with the Fob. Some photos sell for $5 while others sell in the $60 to $100 range. You will need an active PayPal account to get paid for your work. Sold on FOP. FOP is easy for anyone to use. You can upload photos that you have already take taken or take new ones for the uh, for the higher driving higher saving missions. More than 2.9 million creators are using FOP. The concept is the range of potential topics. It could be a hotel review, personal opinion, or satisfaction survey from a particular merchant. The surveys are short enough that you can take them while waiting in line for a cup of tea. You can earn extra money by sharing your TV and internet usage with Google Opinion Rewards. Just continue browsing iPoll. If you like the idea of being paid to take surveys, the iPoll apps is another top choice to consider. Similar to Google Option Rewards, all you have to do is answer brief questions about products and services that you have already